Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. Millions of tons of macadamia, cashew, and pistachio nuts processed annually at modern factories require a sophisticated and efficient process. Large-scale production of macadamia, cashew, and pistachio nuts typically involves multiple stages, from cultivation to harvesting and processing. The closed production process and modern technology enable factories to produce millions of chaws of nuts each year, meeting global consumption demands. Macadamia farms are often located in tropical and subtropical regions. Automated irrigation systems are deployed to provide the necessary amount of water for the trees. Macadamia seedlings are planted in pre-prepared holes, followed by nurturing them with organic fertilizers and monitoring their growth. After about 6 to 7 years, macadamia trees reach the harvesting stage. Farms typically collect macadamia nuts immediately after they fall using specialized machinery. Macadamia nuts are transported to the factory for shelling. There are two main methods used to shell macadamia nuts: mechanical and manual. Mechanical shelling is the preferred method at large factories due to its efficiency and high speed. Macadamia nuts are dried to reduce moisture, making the shelling process easier. Using manual tools such as hammers or pliers, workers shell the hard outer shell of macadamia nuts. This process requires skill and precision to ensure the nuts inside are not damaged. Macadamia nuts are carefully inspected to ensure no shell fragments remain. This machine uses rollers or cutting blades to separate the hard outer shell of macadamia nuts from the inner kernel. The process is quick and precise, ensuring the nuts are not damaged. After completing the processing steps, macadamia nuts are packaged in high-quality packaging to maintain freshness and protect them from environmental factors. From here, they are distributed to consumer markets worldwide. One of the popular products made from macadamia nuts is macadamia nut milk. Macadamia nut milk can be flavored with vanilla, honey, or sugar according to preference. Roasted macadamia nuts are a popular snack, offering a crunchy and rich flavor. Growing cashew trees is a process that requires attention to detail. Farmers typically water the plants early in the morning or in the cool afternoon to minimize evaporation and ensure optimal water absorption. Regularly inspect the trees to detect early signs. The harvesting process of cashew nuts is a crucial step in the production chain, requiring meticulousness and precision to ensure the quality of the cashew nuts. After about 3 to 5 years, cashew trees begin to bear fruit. The ripe fruits fall to the ground, at which point farmers collect them and transport them to the factory. Sun drying is a traditional and effective method to naturally reduce the moisture content of cashew nuts. Workers will regularly turn the nuts to ensure all sides are exposed to sunlight. In the factory, cashew nuts are spread evenly on trays or conveyor belts in an automated cleaning and drying system. After preliminary drying, the cashew nuts are transferred to an automated sorting system. After passing through the sorting machine, the cashew nuts are manually inspected by workers to ensure no impurities or damaged nuts remain. Nuts that do not meet the standards are removed, ensuring that only the best cashew nuts proceed to the next stage. The cashew nuts are weighed to ensure each package has the exact weight. After packaging, the cashew nuts are labeled. The labeling process can be done automatically or manually. This process ensures the cashew nuts are well preserved before reaching consumers. This process ensures the cashew nuts are well preserved before reaching consumers. Pistachio trees take about 3 to 5 years to begin bearing fruit. The pistachio nuts are light green when ripe, turning yellow as they near full ripeness. When pistachio nuts are ripe, they fall to the ground on their own. Workers then collect the nuts by hand. The nuts are picked into baskets or containers to avoid being crushed. Harvesting machines work by shaking the trees, causing the nuts to fall to the ground where they are automatically collected. The machines also have a sorting system to remove substandard nuts. After harvesting, pistachio nuts are spread evenly on tarps or nets for sun drying. After drying, the pistachio nuts are placed on an automated sorting line. Despite the efficiency of automated technology, Workers still conduct manual inspections to ensure no low-quality nuts remain. Workers will manually remove cracked, damaged, or substandard nuts, ensuring that only the best nuts remain. Some factories also polish the nuts to enhance their appearance, ensuring that pistachio nuts have a smooth and attractive surface for consumers.